Hi, Grace Gravestock here. I've been asked to share with you a little bit more about my 10-week Abundant Life by Design program. This is for you if you have explored your human design chart just a little bit and you want to really live your life like you mean it, like you want to have more success and more joy and more satisfaction, and you want to experience it every day, not just once in a while. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the 10 weeks and how, when you go through this 10 weeks program with me, you are going to learn so much about who you are, about your superpowers, about how you can really show up in this life and have the greatest amount of satisfaction and success possible. So let's go ahead and jump in. In week 1, we start off with your life purpose. Learn what you're really here to be and do, how to move forward in a way that's truly aligned with your soul's purpose. In week 2, we explore your genetic expression. Yes, your genes actually are shifting, and that means that you're feeling different and you're experiencing things in a whole new way. So we're going to look at your life purpose and how that is evolving as your genes, your genetic expression, these genetic code that's inside you that's been dormant, special things are changing and you are getting more intuitive. I just know you are. I'm not just saying that. I can show you in your chart. It's pretty amazing. In week 3, we look at your design. This is where I would start if you just wanted to, if you're new to human design and you wanted to just get started with understanding your chart, we would look at who you really are and what's going to be consistent in your life and what you're going to be here to be wise about. You'll also understand the best way to make decisions for you. I mean, wouldn't it be amazing if you could always make the best decisions possible for you and know that they are the right decisions? You would save so much time and so much money. Trust me on this. This is exciting and it's specific to you. So you will learn that in week 3 and 4. We'll also look at your superpowers. Did you know that you might be able to tell what other people think? I can actually show you in your chart the types of intuition that you have consistent access to, or the ones that you can tap into at will. It's pretty amazing. And this is very practical stuff that you can use every single day to move your business forward and your life. This will improve every area of your life if and when you use it. So in week 5, I teach you my 4-step manifestation process. This is the process that I used in a week to go from being $30,000 in debt to all of a sudden getting a job just come to me, a contract role where I was paid twice as much as I've ever been paid before. And I was working with a client doing work I love, and I had a cash bonus. I started immediately. They hired me right away. I didn't have to search for it. I mean, this was an amazing experience, and I'm not the only one. You can do this too in your life every single day. So I want to share with you this 4-step manifestation process, which is enhanced by your particular design. So it's like law of attraction, but on steroids and specific for you. If you've struggled with that, I'm going to show you why and how this can actually work for you every single day. In week 6, we get into your business. We look at your business by design, specifically how you can use your particular strengths and superpowers to amp your business to scale and to make more money, to have the abundance that you're designed to have. In week 8, we look at we do a working session where I open up my contacts, lots of ways to get you exposure, to amp your business and scale the way you want it to. So that is pretty exciting. That's Business by Design Part 2 in week 7. In week 8, we get into your relationships. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could see your chart and your beloved's chart together and see exactly where the areas of attraction are, how to amp up that physical connection, that chemistry. What are the areas of dominance where one of you might be dominating the other, and what to do about it? And areas of friendship where you can build those common bonds and have a good friendship with your partner or your other person, whoever you choose. It could be a parent, a child, a significant other. We'll also look at, let's see, attraction, friendship, areas of dominance, and areas of, I think it's called compatibility. So we look at your chart and the other, and it's amazing. You can really see how you can maximize your relationship. If you're struggling, this is an amazing way to see how you can work together and both get the kind of satisfaction and success out of your dynamic, way more so than if you didn't see this. I mean, you literally see it in front of you where these issues are and what you can do about them. So that's can be life-changing, trust me. And it's so exciting that, and most of my clients want to do 2 charts. So the next week we do a second chart. It could be another family member. It could be a past lover. It could be anyone you want. We can look at the dynamic between you and that person, and you will discover some new things that will probably shock you. In week 10, we round it all out and we talk about creating aligned wealth by design. Now, this is looking at money markers in your chart. This is looking at abundance, how to really use your particular design to attract the abundance that you want in every area of your life. This is specific to you, and this is amazing. So 10 weeks together. We'll do, each session is about an hour long by Zoom. You'll get an audio recording and a video recording. You can review it later. I'll give you exercises, homework, journaling, all kinds of stuff. Of course, the optional, all of this is optional, but it will really help you to go deeper and further and faster. So it's exciting, and you'll also get some affirmations for each of the parts of your chart that you want to really maximize. So if you are interested in this 10-week package, please let me know. I have some specials going before the end of the year. I would love to talk to you. Schedule time for us to chat as a discovery session at mrsfun.org. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.